Magandang hapon po ng May 18, 2026 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 18, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, May 18, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, May 18, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for May 18, 2026, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for May 18, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.